gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor. I talk to people about the stock market. I tell them to save, invest, and grow wealth in the stock market. The reason is very simple. The stock market is a money machine that helps you grow money over time. The stock market is a money machine. It helps you grow money over time. And it helps you grow money quickly. Now I have 3 questions that I'm answering in this video. 1, how many companies are listed in the Nairobi Securities Exchange? How many companies are listed in the stock market? The answer is very simple. We have about 66 companies listed in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. The total wealth is about 2.7 trillion shillings. 2.7 trillion shillings is the total wealth in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. This wealth can make us all millionaires. The Nairobi Securities Exchange can make us all millionaires. The second question I'm answering in this video is this. Can you have a CDS account with the other stockbrokers? The answer is yes. CDS account is like a bank account. And a bank account, you can have a bank account with Equity, KCB, with all these banks. You can open up as many bank accounts as you want. So the answer is yes, you can have a bank account with other stockbrokers. You can have a bank account with other commercial banks. You can have CDS account with other stockbrokers. The other question is, how long does it take to have a CDS account? Ideally, depends. Should take about 3 to 4 days and you have your CDS account, because you know what, like a bank account, when you open it, it has to go to the head office. They have to confirm. There's what we call KYC, know your client, know your customer. They have to verify that this ID you've given them is correct. They have to verify that the passport photos you gave them is correct. And they have to verify that the KRA PIN you gave them is correct. You need those 3 things. KRA PIN, ID, and 2 passport photos. Once you have those, you fill some CDSC forms. And if you don't have those forms, get to our Telegram group. We have a Genghis Capital Stock Market Investor, or other agent, Mike Ayo. He will give you the CDS forms. You will fill those forms. And once you fill those forms will be taken to the head office. And then they'll help you, they facilitate you to open a CDS account. Those are the things you need. Ladies and gentlemen, let me say this. The stock market is very good. The stock market is a money machine that can help you save, invest, and grow wealth. The stock market has been able to create millionaires in Kenya and billionaires in Kenya. Actually, there is no billionaire without stock. Even the president has stock in NCBA Bank. Even the deputy president has stock in Safaricom. He said so. Even the former prime minister has stock in the BOC gases and the Kabasite gases. There is nobody who is rich without the stock market. Mark Zuckerberg have shares in Facebook. Jeff Bezos have shares in Amazon. Bill Gates have shares in Microsoft. And another guy I'm reading about, Warren Buffett, he has shares in Berkshire Hathaway and many other companies like Coca-Cola, Blue Chip, Washington Post. All these billionaires have shares in the companies. Why should you not have shares in these companies? Ladies and gentlemen, we must invest. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. And if you're new here again, I invite you to our Telegram group. That's where we talk about the stock market 24/7. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.